Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade peanut butter. It's super simple and easy to make at home without any preservatives. It's super healthy and plays major role in weight loss or healthy eating. Peanut butter contains good amount of healthy fats and protein, which means it contains plenty of calories that will give energy. It is a good source of iron, magnesium and potassium, making it helpful for maintaining the proper blood flow in the body. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. It takes only 5 minutes to make this yummy and healthy peanut butter. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box later. Let's get started. We need roasted peanuts to make this. You can roast the peanuts in a stove or oven or in the air fryer. You can skip this step if you are using the pre-roasted nuts. I roasted mine in the air fryer. I have given the link below in the description box for roasted peanuts in the air fryer. Roasting gives the peanut butter a deeper flavor and also helps make the oils looser and easier to blend into a smooth butter. You can use any food processor or mixer jar to make this peanut butter. Only time and monitoring may vary. Add peanuts to the jar. I'm using Instant Blender Ace Plus. It already has a nut butter option, so I'm just selecting that and scrapping in between. If you're using any food processor or mixer jar, it roughly takes 4 to 6 minutes to get the creamy peanut butter. Check the description box for the detailed process. If you want the chunky peanut butter, save some peanuts now to mix it later. Continue the process and scrap in between. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe and make sure to click the notification bell icon. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Add salt. Continue the process. Every minute, stop and scrape down the sides. Natural peanut butter keeps just fine in a cool, dark place like the pantry for at least a month, which is more than enough for any peanut butter lover to consume it. But if you don't eat this nutty spread that quickly, the fridge will keep it fresher longer. During this process, you will see the peanuts go in stages from crumbs to a dry ball to a smooth and a creamy peanut butter. If you want, you can add honey. At this point, the butter will be glossy and soft like very thick peanut butter. If you want glossy texture, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or peanut oil. Continue processing the butter until it becomes completely smooth. Taste and add more salt or other add-ins to taste. If you want chunky peanut, add the saved nuts now. It's ready now. Let's check the texture. Wow, it smells so good. Look at the creamy peanut butter. Wow, it spreads so good. Look at the color. If you want flowy consistency, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. If you are using other food processor or mixer jar, peanut butter will be more liquidy. You can refrigerate it for 2 hours. It gets thickened later. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.